Hello everyone, welcome back to another drawing tutorial. I've checked your comments out, and one of the things you all have trouble with is drawing scales on dragons. So here's how you start. What I like to do is sort of draw these rib shapes around like you're making a garden hose or something like that. Then I sort of mark in where I'm putting the belly, and then you sort of make it like a chessboard or something. You know, you got these checker patterns all around following the flow. You sort of mark the middle out where the belly goes, and then I put in the spine. Next, I'm putting in the legs, because this is another area you have difficulty doing. Where did the legs line up with the body? So next we get the spine, we get the outside of the legs and the underbelly, and now we're putting the scales in. You'll notice I'm going from the top to the bottom, so it's kind of where it curves outwards and goes inwards. The widest part of the body going towards the skinniest part of the body, and you can see I'm changing directions now, and that is because it's curving right there, you know, and so I'm going to change directions again. So I'm going from the widest part to the skinniest part all the way around. This is very important, because then your scales go from large to smaller. Here I'm making a few corrections and I'm matching up the belly. Then sometimes I like to make the outside of the body connect, and again I'm going around like it's a hose or something. You're creating contour lines. That means shape. Now here you can see I can follow through my scales going one way and going another way, going one way, all one direct, like one continuous motion. This is when you get really good at scales. You can do this sort of thing. Anyway, I hope that helps you. Like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you want to see more of, and I'll make a video. Also, if you like how I draw dragons, you can support me by buying some of my merch. I've got amazing hoodies, I've got t-shirts, I've got all sorts of merchandise coming out for you guys to wear. Also, give Andy a follow. He's one hell of a skater, as you can see, and he has good taste in dragon merch as well. See you next time.
Fuck yeah.